Hi, this is Manya Kobo Senior High School STEMNNOVATION Club. Our project, which is under the theme Environmental Sustainability, is titled Smart Trash Bin.
Problem statements.
The environment of Ghana is heavily polluted with waste, most of the pollutants being plastic. Burning of waste is a major practice which pollutes both soil and air with toxic chemicals. Waste segregation for easy recycling is yet to be prioritized. When even introduced, it is poorly done by the community. Our school is introduced waste segregation of plastic, paper and food waste, but is largely being mismanaged by the students. They continue to lump all waste together in designated bins. Through observation and interview, the reason for mismanagement are as follows.
1. Lack of interest and motivation to segregate. 2. Apathy and laziness to open each bin to dump waste. 3. Unhygienic to touch and open each bin.
Hypothesis. Based on the problems identified, we hypothesize that
the use of plastic bottles to build a trash bin with an electronically controlled lid will increase user participation and the accuracy of waste segregation by at least 50%.
Prototype development. But our coaches, we brainstormed and decided to construct smart trash bin that will be able to interact with the users through self-regulations. Plastic and paper trash bins were built.
Materials needed. 1. Plastic bottles, which would otherwise pollute the environment. 2. Flexible metals. 3. Glue gun and glue stick. 4. Servomotor Arduino kit. 5. Voice over Arduino kit. 6. GSM model.
Gathering of materials. We moved around the campus to collect bottles. Many more were gathered from the salted one by the Environmental Sustainable Club of the school. The bottles were then washed and salted.
Now, the construction.
Bottle-shaped bin. 1. Binding wires were used to join the bottles into circular shapes. 5 different layers, each containing 30 bottles, totally 150 bottles. 2. Joining the various layers vertically with wire mesh rods as one unit to reinforce and make it robust. 3. The lead was mainly made of bottle tops, bottles and carton. 4. Glue gun with its stick was used to join certain parts when necessary. Finally, the bottle-shaped bin is ready.
Rectangular shape bin. Use of binding wire to join the bottles into square shapes. 7 different layers, each containing 36 bottles, giving a total of 252 bottles. The rest of the steps are the same as that of the bottle-shaped bin. This is an improvement over the bottle-shaped bin, as it has less space between the bottles. Additionally, the lid can easily open even if the servomotor is dysfunctional.
The Arduino kits and coding. C++ programming was used to write codes for the kits. Upload of the codes onto the kits.
Measure of bin and Arduino device. The servomotor is fixed on the lid to turn at 90 degrees in order to regulate its opening and closing at that angle. A rope linking the lid and the servomotor enables the opening and closing when the motor turns. The Arduino kit boxes with sensors were fixed onto the sides of the bins with the glue.
How it functions. 1. The Arduino kit boxes are connected to power source to power it. 2. The LCD displays a welcome message and type of waste is accepted, which is also heard in the speaker simultaneously. 3. The required trash is brought near the sensor. 4. The sensor detects it and indicates damp plastic or paper. 5. The servomotor opens the lid and closes after 7 clicks.
Special features or advantages of the smart trash bins. 1. Have both visual and audio displays, making it user-friendly. 2. Have a sensor that sends trash or obstacles to open the bin. 3. Have GSM that gives alerts whenever the bins are full. 4. Are entirely built from waste plastic materials, helping to minimize pollution of the environment. 5. The bins are transparent, making it easy to monitor its contents. 6. Reduce user direct contact with the bins, thereby enhancing personal hygiene.
Testing of projects. 2 hours of display of the smart trash bins for use was greeted with inexplicable quest by students to segregate waste into respective bins. Of course, their concern with the traditional bins were fully addressed.
Conclusion. A cost-effective, easy to produce and a user-friendly smart trash bin of this nature is worth investing in. Thank you.